Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub OAuth for a GitHub app, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub OAuth for a GitHub app, first, create a GitHub account if you don't have one. Navigate to the GitHub developer settings page. Select the option for OAuth applications. Click on the New OAuth App button. Fill in the required fields, including the application name and homepage URL. For the authorization callback URL, specify where GitHub should redirect after authorization. Once all fields are filled, click on the Register Application button. Take note of your client ID and client secret shown on the App Settings page. Next, build the authorization URL. This URL must include your client ID, the desired scopes, and a redirect URI. The scopes define the level of access your application requires. Users will be prompted to authorize access when they visit this URL. After authorization, GitHub will redirect users back to your specified callback URL. The redirect will include a temporary code in the URL parameters. Your application must capture this code from the URL. Next, exchange this code for an access token by sending a POST request to GitHub's token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the temporary code in this request. If successful, GitHub will respond with an access token. Store this access token securely for future API requests. Use the access token in the authorization headers of your API calls to access GitHub resources. Always test your integration to ensure that authentication works as expected. With these steps complete, your GitHub app is ready to authenticate users using OAuth. Remember to review GitHub's documentation for any updates or additional features. Ensure you handle errors gracefully during the authentication process. This will improve the user experience significantly. With this guide, you now have a solid foundation for implementing GitHub OAuth authentication in your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.